Hello, I'd like to speak to a demolitionist. A demolitionist? Yeah, my old lady left me, see? And she left me without me knowing, and she got a house, and I want you to knock the fucking thing down. Yeah, hi, my old lady left me, and she's got it's a little black house, and I want you to knock it down. I'll put up my hot dogs. Yeah, so can you do that? It's a black little house. My name is Jocko Johnson. My old lady left me.